Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to withdraw funds from your Bitget wallet account. Withdrawing funds from a Bitget wallet account involves transferring your cryptocurrency or fiat currency from a Bitget account to an external wallet or bank account. Here's a general guide. Access your Bitget wallet account through the website or app. Navigate to Assets or Wallet or Funds section of your account. Find the Withdraw or Withdraw option. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and carefully enter the recipient's wallet address. Double check the address for accuracy, as mistakes can lead to permanent loss of funds. Ensure the address is compatible with the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. If there are multiple network options, choose the correct network. Incorrect network selections will cause loss of funds. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the verification code from your authenticator app. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. The withdrawal will be processed and you will receive a confirmation notification. Blockchain transaction can take some time. Now here's fiat currency withdrawal. Access your Bitget account, navigate to Assets, Wallet or Funds, find the Withdraw or Withdraw option, choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw, select the preferred withdrawal method, and provide your bank account details including your account holder name, the account number, the bank name, branch code, SWIFT code, and then enter the amount you want to withdraw. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the verification code. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Fiat withdrawals can take several business days to process. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.